Last but not least, Category 7, known as site-led improvements, describes those developments which augment or improve the traditional building process. They are innovative, site-based construction techniques which are central to improvements in productivity, construction speed, and safety. They are characterized by the use of new technology with digital technologies to the fore. Examples include the integration of building information modeling, or BIM, into on-site processes, artificial intelligence to measure the construction progress, and the use of augmented and virtual reality to aid assembly, as it covers a varied range of approaches and products which cannot be defined as pre-manufacturing, as in categories 1 to 5, or materials innovation, as with category 6. This category covers a wide scope, from drones and wearables to insulated concrete formwork and verification tools. Along with categories 1 and 2, category 7 is another example of MMC which is becoming prevalent in the Irish construction industry, not only due to the constant development of ever-useful technologies, but also because it is home to the rapidly growing digitalization of the sector. This is best represented by BIM, a process that creates and manages the design and information of a construction project throughout its life cycle. It is BIM and other adjacent technologies that provide the accuracy and detail which allow MMC to really flourish. It is this merging of production, installation, and digital processes that make it possible to modernize the sector, enable it to be more productive, and achieve the sustainability targets that are crucial to the long-term viability of the construction industry, both here at home and around the world.